Hello everyone, welcome to Efficiency Sir. In the past videos, we have seen about ng, ngFor, this kind of directives. In today's video, it's all about ngSwitchCase. So switch case is nothing but like we have some expressions or conditions, and based on that values, we will be switching the expressions and render the DOMs based on that. So let's get started. For that, I'm going to declare a variable, maybe declare it as a day, and I have some text like a weekend. So what we are going to do is like in HTML, we are going to use ngSwitchCase. If the value is weekend, we will just display text based on it. If it doesn't have it, we will display some other values. Okay. So let's go back to our HTML. I'm going to type ngSwitchCase, and the extensions I use will bring my boilerplate code here. So in the syntax, it will be like ngSwitch and the condition expression. Expression is nothing but the variable which is going to hold our values. Here it will be like a day, and the expression is nothing but matching the values. So if day is having some particular text, it should display this output. So instead of having output, so it is weekend. I'm just going to 80. It's a weekend. Okay. So we will have another case as well. We can make it as weekday. We will have some text like it's time to work, and some default case. If it doesn't have both the values, we will have some other informations. So sorry, what day it is. Okay. So right now we have value as weekend, and in the switch ngSwitch we mentioned the variable name, and in the UI it should probably render it's a weekend. Let's see. We'll go to our UI. So it's a weekend basically. It zoom a little bit. So what will happen if I change the value to weekday? So probably it should hit this ngSwitch and see the value and directly go to this particular thing. It will render it's time to work. So it's showing it's time to work. So let's say like I'm just going to change to some other value, holiday. So in the such case, we don't have value for weekend. We have value for only weekend and weekday. We don't have value for holiday. What it will do is like it will check it. It's not there, so it will just go to the ngSwitch default. Default is something like nothing has matched. So instead of showing an empty screen or like no value, so I'll just show this helpful message. So it's showing sorry what day it is. So you just try out these things. ngSwitch and ngSwitch cases. You can also have set various values and set the default cases and try out it. Make sure you subscribe and support the channel so that you will get notified on every new video we are making. Thanks for watching.